Why do I say this? Because it will help you decide how you want to organize your space, and it makes that process a lot easier.
Welcome to the Ideal Home Show YouTube channel. I'm Louise Gookie. Now, are you feeling like the mess is winning and the day's barely started? Well, you're not alone. We're back with Clara Ansong, mindset coach, cleaning business founder, and author on the mental health power of a tidy home.
Having an organized home, a clutter-free home, is all about a mindset shift. There are certain things that you could do to maintain an organized and clutter-free space. We're all living really busy lifestyles, right? So it can be really difficult to look after your children and also be busy with work. And some of us look after our loved ones. So how do you keep on top of your home? Because sometimes our home can be neglected when we're very busy. So how do you keep on top of it? So I would say start with small daily routines. Every day, instead of leaving the dishes in the sink, think about maybe washing the dishes while you're preparing dinner. The clutter on our worktops that we normally forget to sort out, those letters that we haven't opened in a long time. Start by organizing them and maybe putting them into sections that we can sort out. I would also say, with having a daily routine, have a weekly routine. You might have one day where you do the hoovering and another day where you clean the bathrooms. Many times we overwhelm ourselves by thinking, okay, I'm going to clean my entire home in one day. And that can be a lot, especially if you've been working all week. So in order for you to maintain a clean and organized home consistently throughout the week without setting aside hours and hours of cleaning, how about being consistent? You could use maybe 15 to 20 minutes of cleaning bursts, right? Where you clean for about 15 to 20 minutes each night and get your space organized. That way you don't have to spend hours cleaning in one day. So when you get to the point where you are ready to declutter your space, to clear your space, I would say use the 4-box technique. Think about what you want to keep. Think about what you want to give away. Think about what you want to donate. And think about what you want to recycle. Why do I say this? Because it will help you decide how you want to organize your space. And it makes that process a lot easier. So if it's going to take you 5 minutes to think about why you need a dress or why you need a certain pair of shoes or why you need this tool, it's time to maybe recycle it and give it away. But if you look at an item and you instantly want to keep it because you have an attachment to it, what better way to make use of our items by giving it to somebody who can use it? So use the 4-box technique when it comes to decluttering your space. Think about what you want to keep. Think about what you want to throw away. Think about what you want to donate, and think about what you would like to recycle. So these are my top tips to maintaining a clean and organized space. Number 1, be kind to yourself. If you're living a really busy lifestyle and not quite having the chance to keep up on the cleaning and organizing and decluttering, be kind to yourself and start small, or maybe ask help from friends and family. Or you could get a cleaning company to come in and help you organize your home, maybe once a week, every 2 weeks, or maybe once a month, or every couple of months, just to help you stay on top of those items that you find really typically overwhelming to organize and clean yourself. And I would be really intentional with what I bring into my home. We're living in an age of mass consumerism, so it's so easy for us to go online and buy loads and loads of stuff that we tend not to use. So how about you become more intentional with what you're bringing into your space? Ask yourself these questions. Do I really need this item? Am I going to use it? Or is it just going to collect dust? And I would also implement small daily cleaning routines. Start small, but consistent cleaning. So while you're making your dinner, you could consider maybe tidying up your space, organizing those things that you haven't quite had the time to organize. And also a key and very important rule: get the family to help you. Many times cleaning is left to one person to do. So if you have very young children, get them to put their shoes away, get them to put their coats away, and to tidy their toys themselves. And it can be really fun for them. You can give them 1 minute to tidy up their things and maybe give them a little prize after they've organized their space. But I would say the number one rule is be kind to yourself. And it's all about creating an environment that will support your mental well-being, an environment that reflects who you are, an environment that is clean and tidy and organized. So if you have found these tips helpful and would like to go deeper into how to maintain a clean and organized space, and also how a clean and organized space affects our mental well-being, you can buy my latest book called The Mental Health Benefits of a Clean and Tidy Home, which you can purchase on Amazon. Thank you for joining me.
Here's what Clara reminded us today. A calm home isn't built in a day. It's maintained in moments. Those 15-minute cleaning bursts aren't just about tidying. They're about giving yourself room to breathe, to reset, to take care of your space without sacrificing your sanity. So start with one small task, one clear surface, one day at a time. And remember, you don't have to do it all alone. Involve the people you live with. Ask for help. Be kind to yourself. Your home doesn't have to be spotless, just supportive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ideal Home Show YouTube channel, and we will see you soon.
Hello everyone.
Hi, I'm Mark Meadows.
I'm Michelle Marby Davies.
I'm Annie Sloan and I invented chalk paste.
So, cocktails.
The hive will produce 30 or 40 pounds of honey in a year.
I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can improve your home life using the very latest smart tech.
If you're looking to move or improve,
Have I got a chocolate and tonka bean? I might just have
we've got all sorts planned. This hob is actually amazing.
a little chocolate and tonka bean.
Lovely aroma, the curry leaves.
Might do that neat right at the end as a little treat for me really.
So what I love to do is go for citrus-based scents.
And it can be amazing for your skin.
So it really becomes a different look from day to evening.
To have a plan without thinking about colour, texture or specific product choices.
We've got talks, drop-in sessions, explanations, workshops, everything.
Oh, it's a good job it's 7 p.m, isn't it? I'd get into trouble. So,